Alright YouTube, checking back in with the Chevy SS project. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more on the Chevy SS. Today's the day we're going to go ahead and drop the engine in, connect it up the draft shaft, and hit the engine mount points. Alright, first things first, I'm just getting my subframe in place. Just got my block off plate in the mail, so I'm just installing that real quick. All right, here we go with the spark plugs going in. All right, now this is just some high temp RTV to seal my exhaust. All right, here's my replacement for the bad idler pulley in my last video. I'll go ahead and install this and keep it moving. All right, so I'm just removing my hood. Figure I'm probably gonna have clearance issues with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off now and just sit it out of the way. It's sketchy, looks like it. Put the oil in there. This is not as easy as it looks. I'm just jacking up the back end, going ahead and connecting my drive shaft so I can get my trans support brace in as well. Here's the nuts for the engine mounts going in. All right, we made a lot of progress. I ended up having to take my core packs off to get the clearance I needed, but we got the engine and trans installed. Everything is sitting down right. I just have to finish torquing down everything for my subframe at this point. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the hood back on, make sure that I'm getting that to shut right. Alright, so I got most everything buckled up already. Went ahead and got my hood back on. It is opening and closing correctly. Next in line is probably just going to be wiring. I just need to go through and connect all of the wiring harnesses, make sure everything is coming back on, install a hot battery, and just put oil, trans, and brake fluid. I should be back ready to roll. So make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe for more on this Chevy SS, as we'll be blitzing it the next few days.